In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram follow limit. So first thing you want to know is that if you have 7,500 follows on Instagram, if you were following 7,500 people, then that's the follow limit and you can't follow more than that. So you have to unfollow some people for you to be able to follow more, and if that wasn't the case, you simply are having a follow limit but you still haven't followed 7,500 people, then it could be because you were spamming follows. So if you were spamming follows, you were following hundreds of people in one day, then that could be the reason why Instagram could have triggered some triggered that you are a bot or something, so it would prevent you from following. So to fix that, you simply just have to wait for like a day or two without following anyone, and this should fix the issue. But if that wasn't actually the case, then it could be because of some apps and websites. So to fix that, you want to go to your profile and click at the top right, and then you want to go all the way down here, and over here you want to see app website permissions, and click on apps and websites. Make sure you don't have any apps connected here that could prevent you from following. Some of these apps could actually put like follow limit, so you might want to disable them. And if it wasn't this the case, if you're still having an issue with the follow limit, then it could be a bug with the Instagram app. So you might want to just check for an update. Go to Play Store and search for Instagram, and if you go to Instagram and you don't see the update button, then that means you're just up to date and you already updated your Instagram app. And if that didn't fix your issue, then your last option would be to uninstall and reinstall Instagram, and hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.